Are you seeing those mixed content warnings in WordPress after setting up SSL? Not only can those be confusing, but they can also make your site look less secure to your visitors and even break some images or scripts. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the absolute easiest and fastest way to fix mixed content problems in WordPress, so you can have a fully secure site and that reassuring padlock icon next to your URL by the time we're done. Let's jump right in. If you want to save yourself a ton of headaches, I highly recommend handling mixed content issues using a plugin. The great news is that there are plugins designed specifically for this issue, and you really don't need any technical know-how to use them. My two favorites are Really Simple SSL and SSL Insecure Content Fixer. Both are free, well-supported, and found in the official WordPress plugin directory. The first thing we'll do is install and activate one of these plugins. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins on the left menu, then Add New in the search bar. Just type Really Simple SSL or SSL Insecure Content Fixer once it pops up. Click Install Now, and once the button turns to Activate, go ahead and click that too. This connects the plugin to your site and gets it ready to work. Now here's where things get beautifully simple. If you went with Really Simple SSL, true to its name, the setup is almost automatic. The moment you activate it, the plugin will scan your site and configure almost everything needed to route your content through HTTPS instead of the old HTTP. You may see a pop-up asking if you want to enable SSL, and you'll click Go Ahead. Activate SSL, that's it, the plugin works in the background, and in most cases, your mixed content problem is solved right there and then. But what if you chose SSL Insecure Content Fixer instead? This plugin gives you a bit more control, so after activating it, you'll need to visit Settings, then SSL Insecure Content in your dashboard. Here you'll see a section called Fix Levels. The plugin lets you decide how aggressively it should fix your content. This simple level is usually enough for most websites. It fixes links and scripts on your main content. If you still see issues, don't worry. You can try the next options like Content or even Widgets, which check more parts of your site and fix mixed content wherever it might be hiding. Think of it like turning up the dial until everything is nice and secure. Here comes one small but crucial step that people often forget: clearing your cache. If you're using a caching plugin in WordPress, like WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache, you'll want to clear the plugin's cache first. You should also refresh your browser or even clear your browser cache completely to make sure you're seeing the fresh, updated version of your site. Think of this as giving your site a good spring cleaning, allowing the SSL changes to show up properly. After you've done those two, reload your site and check to see if the padlock icon appears next to your URL and that those mixed content warnings are gone. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can solve the mixed content issue and make your website safer for everyone who visits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into a tricky situation, drop a comment below. I check those and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and good luck securing your site.